Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning Bootstrap. Watch this video till the end. Please support this channel. Before starting this video, I would request you all to please go through my latest book, The Idealism of Lord Ram. This book teaches us about the life journey of Lord Ram. I would recommend you to read this book, you'll surely like it. The link of this book is in the description box. Now let's start with the tutorial. Bootstrap is very easy framework of CSS. In this video we will learn how to use it, and also we will create a simple restaurant website using Bootstrap. We have collected some of the images which will be required in the website creation. Bootstrap is simply copy and pasting the pre-written code. First, create a HTML file in your IDE. In the Google Chrome, go to Bootstrap website, then go to the docs section. Copy the boiler template in which there is CSS and JavaScript CDN present, and then paste it into your VS Code. Now you're good to go. If you need to add some of the CSS part, you can simply add the CSS file link below the Bootstrap line, so that the predefined Bootstrap CSS can be overwritten by your current CSS file. Bootstrap has variety of website components. You need to copy the code of the Bootstrap components in your VS Code. Let's see all this one by one. Now, first we will paste the navbar code into our VS Code, and then we will edit it as per requirement. Note, the style of the CSS changes if we change the class name. This black-colored navbar looks very beautiful, so let's copy the attribute of the navbar and paste it into our current navbar. Our navbar is ready. Similarly, just like the navbar, we will add some more components like carousel, cards, and feedback form. After pasting the carousel code, enter the URL of the images which you need to put into your slides. We will also see how to further modify the height of the carousel using external CSS. The height of each slides of the carousel is not uniform, so let's first add a uniform height to each slides. The styling which I am giving using the star symbol is called Universal Selector. It is a good web development practice to initially fix margin and padding to 0 and to fix box sizing property to border box. This is done to remove unnecessary space from the web page. Now I have selected the carousel section using its ID and fixed its height to 80 VH. Now we also have to set the height of the images of the slide to 80 VH to see changes. We will select the class of the slide image, and now we are going to fix its height to 80 VH. Note, class selector in CSS has the less priority, which means the CSS we are writing will not be implemented. So to increase its priority, we will add an important keyword which will increase the priority order of the height property we are specifying. Thus, our CSS has been implemented. Now let's add next Bootstrap component, card. All the process will be same just like for the above two components, navbar and carousel. Bootstrap is all about practice. Do practice and create your website to ensure you understood everything. Comment down for any queries. Check the link for my book and also access this playlist. I will add the link of the source code for your reference. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.